Hey guys, wanna know how to include a screenshot in your trading journal for MetaTrader 5 in mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, simply launch your MetaTrader 5 application. And once you're there, make sure you are on charts right here on the bottom and just screenshot the part that you like. Just simply press the volume down button and power button at the same time. This is for Android. Now once you've done that, head back and simply open up the Notes app or any Notes app that you like Notion, Google Docs, etc. Now open your journal trades and simply paste the screenshot just like this right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now your trade chart has successfully been screenshotted and kept in a journal entry. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.